Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use hair wax middle part, updated. Start by washing and towel drying hair, then apply a small amount of wax to palms and warm it up for even spread. Use a comb to create a precise middle part from forehead to crown, then work wax through roots to ends, focusing on control and separation. Finish by smoothing flyaways and setting the shape with a light mist or extra small wax touch. In a warm, friendly tone, start with pea-sized wax and add more only if needed to avoid heaviness. Rub wax between palms until glossy, then apply near roots and mid-lengths to build hold and texture. Use fingers to separate strands and a comb for a cleaner middle part, working product evenly on both sides. For thicker hair, layer sparingly and rework sections until the part sits naturally and moves with your head. Quick recommendation: if you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support future tips and tutorials. On another note, check out the product seen here. Robot Face, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum voice control. It makes quick cleanups during styling so you can focus on hair. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After styling, check balance and symmetry by tilting your head to view how the part frames your face. Tame flyaways with a tiny dot of wax or a fine-tooth comb, and avoid overloading one side to maintain natural movement. For longer wear, pair wax with a light hairspray or matte finishing powder, reworking areas gently with fingers to revive texture without stiffness or greasiness, keeping the middle part defined and refreshed.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.